Hello, I'm Dr. Sanjay Panicker. I'm the founder of Amrita Homeopathy. We have two clinics, one is in Koramangala and the other one is at Marathalli in Bangalore. We specialize in hair and skin problems, respiratory problems, allergies, pediatrics and infertility. I have also authored a book on pediatrics. Yesterday was the book release. This is on pediatrics drug pictures, that is, it gives an idea about how to prescribe for children, and it is an illustrated book with a lot of pictures in it so that it's easy for doctors and for others also to understand how to prescribe in pediatrics. There are wonderful remedies in homeopathy to improve the sperm count. I deal with a lot of cases of infertility, and usually we prescribe medicines to improve the sperm count, and on an average, within about 6 months, the patient starts seeing changes in the reports. And in about 1.5-2 years, usually the count is rectified and brought back to normal, depending upon the type of condition which is there in the background. Now, let us say there is a total absence of testicle. Then there is nothing much that we can do about the sperm count issue. So, whenever the case is that of azoospermia, there is no sperm being produced, you must try to identify why the sperms are not being produced, and if there is a cause behind it, then that cause has to be tackled. If, let us say, there is no testicle, then you cannot produce a testicle, right? So the same way, if there is an obstruction of the duct or the tube from which the sperms are carried and then it is passed, if there is a total obstruction of that passage, you must see why that obstruction has happened. And if there is any possibility of opening up the obstruction, then medicines like thiocinaminum or tuberculinum can be thought of. Especially in cases post-tubercular infections, there can be obstructions in some patients. If that obstruction is there, then maybe tuberculum bovinum can be one of the remedies which can be used in clearing the obstruction. Thiocinaminum is known to clear the obstruction if there is scar tissue. To improve the number of sperms, Tribulus terrestris is one of the very famous remedy which is used to increase the sperm count. Nuphar luteum is another medicine which people use to increase the sperm count. The best approach would be to deal with the constitution of the patient. Constitutional remedies like calcarea carb, lycopodium, sulfur do help in improving the sperm count, but we have to identify which is the right constitution and then accordingly give the remedy. Damiana is also known to help in increasing the sperm count.